Imagine standing in a bustling city, surrounded by towering concrete structures and shimmering glass skyscrapers. The air is thick with the sounds of traffic and the constant hum of urban life. Now, take a moment to look up, beyond the gray canyons of buildings. What if, instead of endless gray rooftops stretching into the distance, you saw vibrant, thriving gardens bursting with life? Plump, juicy tomatoes ripening in the sun, rows of crisp green lettuces ready to be harvested, and the gentle buzz of bees diligently pollinating the plants, creating a symphony of nature amidst the urban landscape. This isn't some far-off dream or a futuristic fantasy. Rooftop farms are actively transforming cities right now, breathing new life into unused spaces. We're taking previously wasted and forgotten spaces and turning them into flourishing green oases, havens of tranquility and productivity. These rooftop gardens not only feed us with fresh, healthy produce but also bring communities together, fostering a sense of shared purpose and connection. Rooftop farming isn't just a quirky hobby for a select few, it's a viable and increasingly important solution. It's a smart and sustainable way to rethink our approach to food production and community engagement in urban environments. When you actively participate in growing your own food, you develop a deeper appreciation and value for every single bite. Instead of relying on food that has traveled thousands of miles, consuming valuable resources and contributing to pollution, your next meal is conveniently located just a flight of stairs away, reducing your carbon footprint and supporting local food systems. Imagine the simple pleasure of picking a sun-warmed tomato, still fragrant from the vine, and then, eating it just minutes later. You simply can't get any fresher than that. This is real, honest food, grown with passion and dedication by people who care about what they're producing. And it's all happening right on our doorsteps, making healthy, sustainable food accessible to everyone. So let's dive into this exciting world of innovation, community building, and incredibly delicious, locally sourced food. Together, we can transform our cities from the top down, one rooftop garden at a time. Let's work towards making them greener, healthier, and more sustainable places to live for everyone. Forget about those boring, unused rooftops that offer nothing but wasted space. The future of our cities is lush, vibrant, and growing right above our heads, offering a beacon of hope for a more sustainable future. It's a powerful movement that we can all join and contribute to, regardless of our background or experience. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get started on building a greener, more sustainable future, one rooftop at a time. So how do you put a farm on a roof? It starts with making sure the roof can handle the weight. Engineers check safety, then special layers protect the building. Waterproof membranes, root barriers. Instead of heavy soil, lightweight mixes give plants a perfect home. Efficient drip irrigation and rainwater collection keep everything thriving. Raised beds, containers, even hydroponics. There's a method for every roof. You can grow everything from leafy greens to juicy tomatoes and fragrant herbs. It's like having a mini market just an elevator ride away. Simple, smart, and changing city food for good. The numbers are staggering. When you start to delve into the potential of rooftop farming, the sheer scale of impact is truly mind-blowing. We're not just talking about a few scattered gardens, we're talking about a revolution in urban food production. Rooftop farms aren't just a few pots, they're serious food producers, capable of yielding impressive harvests. These are carefully planned and professionally managed operations. Take Brooklyn Grange in New York, for example. They grow over 50,000 pounds of organic veg each year. That's a tremendous amount of fresh, locally sourced produce. And they do it on just 2 rooftops. Imagine the possibilities if this model were replicated across more urban landscapes. Lufa Farms in Montreal took things to another level, building the world's largest rooftop greenhouse. It spans a staggering 160,000 square feet, a true testament to the potential scale of rooftop agriculture. This allows them to keep feeding thousands, even in the harsh Montreal winter, providing a year-round source of fresh produce. What's even more remarkable is that rooftop gardens can be more productive per square foot than traditional farms. This is achieved through longer growing seasons, thanks to the urban heat island effect and controlled environments, as well as denser planting techniques. Imagine if every city rooftop grew food. Think of the impact on local food security and the reduction in transportation costs. The potential is massive and it's waiting to be unlocked. Local rooftop farms slash food miles, dramatically reducing the distance food travels from farm to table. To put it in perspective, the average UK meal travels over 1,000 miles, contributing significantly to carbon emissions. But rooftop produce is just steps away, eliminating the need for long-distance transportation. That means less pollution from trucks and planes, fresher, more nutritious food, and a significantly smaller carbon footprint for every meal. These aren't just nice ideas or utopian dreams, they're real, practical solutions that are being implemented right now. Rooftop farming is already making a measurable difference in communities around the world. It's contributing to a more sustainable food system and a healthier planet for all of us. The numbers don't lie, the evidence is clear. It's a win-win for our cities, our health, and our environment. Rooftop gardens do more than just grow carrots and tomatoes. They represent a fundamental shift in how we think about urban spaces. They transform cities and lives, one rooftop at a time. They breathe life into concrete jungles, offering a multitude of benefits that extend far beyond fresh produce. Green roofs cool buildings, acting as natural insulators. They are actively fighting the urban heat island effect, which can significantly raise temperatures in densely populated areas. Plants clean the air, absorbing pollutants and releasing fresh oxygen. They act as giant green lungs for the city, improving air quality for everyone. They soak up rainwater, helping prevent floods and reducing the strain on city drainage systems. But the real magic lies in the sense of community they foster. These gardens become vibrant hubs where neighbors connect, learn from each other, and share experiences. People from all backgrounds come together, united by a common goal. They are breaking down barriers and building bridges between different communities. They're also invaluable outdoor classrooms. They provide peaceful retreats from the hustle and bustle of city life. And they are welcoming places to make new friends and build lasting relationships. Rooftop farms bring fresh, healthy, locally sourced food. They bring it to areas that need it most, effectively ending food deserts and promoting food security. Kids who grow their own food are far more likely to eat it and enjoy it. They also learn valuable lessons about nutrition and the importance of healthy living. These gardens empower communities to feed themselves, fostering a sense of independence and self-sufficiency. It's food for the soul, nourishing community bonds, and food for the body, providing essential nutrients. Rooftop farms teach us valuable lessons about nature, nutrition, and the interconnectedness of our environment. They promote self-reliance and a deeper understanding of where our food comes from. They're fundamentally changing cities and lives, transforming neglected spaces into thriving ecosystems. They are changing them for the better, creating more sustainable, resilient, and vibrant urban environments. So what's next? The potential is right above us, on every flat roof. Imagine a city where every building has a garden in the sky. This isn't a dream, it's a future we can build. Support local rooftop farms, talk to councils, or start with a window box. Every bit of green counts. Let's inspire a new generation to see rooftop farms as normal city life, fresh local food, grown and eaten right where we live. Next time you're in the city, look up and see the potential. The future is greener, healthier, and more delicious, and it starts with us. Let's get growing.